Did you know AI can help you make art, music, and even write stories? Let's explore how AI is transforming creativity. What you'll learn. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand how AI is used in art, music, writing, and more. Why AI is becoming a partner for human creativity. The benefits and challenges of using AI in creative fields. How AI works in creativity. 1. AI gives new ideas. AI looks at thousands of creative works, like songs or paintings, to find patterns. Then, it uses these patterns to create new ideas. Example, an AI can create a song that mixes jazz and pop or draw a picture inspired by famous artists. 2. AI can be your helper. AI tools can suggest ideas, improve your work, or even help finish it. Example, if you're writing a book, AI can help you come up with the next chapter. 3. AI makes creativity easier. You don't need special skills to make something amazing. Example, with an AI app, you can design clothes or make music without knowing how to sew or play an instrument. How AI is changing creative industries. 1. Art. Generative art, tools like Artbreeder let you create unique artwork by combining styles and colors. Example, you can design a painting that looks like Van Gogh's Starry Night but with your favorite colors. Interactive art, AI can power art that changes with your mood or movement. Example, imagine a sculpture that glows in different colors when you walk by. Art restoration, AI fixes damaged paintings or find fake ones by studying brush strokes. 2. Music. AI composed songs, platforms like Jukebox create music in any style you choose. Example, want a mix of rock and classical? AI can make it happen. Virtual bandmates, AI tools like Amp Music can play instruments and jam with you. Example, you can create a song with an AI drummer or guitarist. Personalized playlists, AI suggests music based on what you like. Example, your playlist changes depending on your mood or the time of day. 3. Writing. AI writing tools, these help with grammar, ideas, or even entire stories. Example, AI can help you write a poem or suggest the next twist in your story. Interactive stories, AI-powered games let you choose what happens next. Example, you decide the ending of a story, and the AI makes it happen. Poetry generators, AI can create poems based on your favorite topics. Example, type sunset, and the AI writes a haiku for you. 4. Fashion and gaming. AI designs clothing lines by studying trends. Example, designers can predict what styles will be popular next year. AI makes video games more exciting by reacting to your choices. Example, your decisions in a game change the way the story unfolds. 5. Marketing and advertising. AI helps companies create ads and social media posts. Example, it can write captions or design posters matching people's likes. Things to think about. 1. Who owns AI creations? If AI makes something, who owns it? You? The person who made the AI? 2. Bias in AI. AI can have biases based on the data it learns from. If the data isn't fair, the results won't be either. 3. Will AI replace creators? AI can't replace human creativity. It's just a tool to help us. Takeaway, AI handles the boring parts so that we can focus on the fun stuff. Why AI matters for the future. AI makes creativity easier for everyone. It helps us think of new ideas and try things we couldn't do before. The key is to use it responsibly and make sure it works for everyone. Final thought. AI isn't here to take over creativity, it's here to help us dream bigger. What will you create with AI? Let's talk. What creative project would you try with AI? Share your thoughts and ideas.